Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a huge cleaning product haul. I figured since I am going to be continuing with filming my cleaning routines, it was time to get some new cleaning products. A lot of you ask me how I get motivated to clean my home, and honestly, nothing motivates me more than getting new cleaning products. So I'm gonna be showing you a lot of products today. I've got 2 different boxes here full of cleaning products. Another thing that motivates me to clean my home is just the fact that I take pride in my home and it feels good to live in a clean environment. So I've got my handy dandy little notebook here because I did take some notes for you guys, which I thought would be very important to share about my purchase. So first off, I got every product that you're about to see from Grove Collaborative. If you've never heard about Grove Collaborative, I'm going to tell you everything about it today. I have seen so many people talking about Grove Collaborative and using their site to buy their cleaning products, but I had never thought about it before. You know, I just go to the store, Walmart, Target, pick up whatever I need, whatever. I'm usually always buying the same stuff, but I figured it is time for a change. New year, new me, new cleaning products. So Grove Collaborative's products are all pretty much natural products. They're safe for your home, safe for pets, safe for kids, which I know a lot of you are going to love. They are also vegan. Some of the products are gluten-free, non-toxic, plant-based materials. I mean, can you get any better than that? And the best part about it is everything is so affordable. And even better, they offer so many perks. Like, that is why I took notes, because a lot of these items I actually got free. And not free for a review, but free for using their website and purchasing other items. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the haul and show you guys everything that I got. Also gonna be telling you what items I got for free. So the first thing we have here is actually Grove brand, and this is a glass bottle, which is perfect for me because you know I like mixing up my own solutions. This is a glass bottle and it's got this mint green rubber protector at the bottom. And it also came with this glass cleaner, which is orange and rosemary scented, and it's a 1 ounce concentrate, so you can actually mix it with water and put it in the glass bottle. So I got both of these items for free. The next item I got here is a set of 2 walnut scrubber sponges, and this is also Grove Collaborative brand. It's a set of 2, and it says, "I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch." So this next set I also got for free. I literally got all of this for free. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is actually the little Caddy, and this is a Grove Collaborative Caddy. This is going to be so nice for me for underneath my cabinet, putting my little cleaning products in there, so that will help keep me organized. It's all white and it says Grove Collaborative on the front, and it's got a little handle here. Free. The next set I got for free is from Mrs. Meyers, and I've actually never used Mrs. Meyers before. Like I said, I was kind of stuck in my ways using things that I always use and just rebuying the same stuff, but I am totally open to trying out new products. So this set here is from Mrs. Meyers, and this is the Lemon Verbena scent. This is actually a room freshener, so it's air freshener, spray it all over. It says lemon verbena is an herb with a light, wonderfully refreshing citrus scent. I also got the same scent in the multi-surface everyday cleaner, removes dirt and freshens surfaces. Also got the dish soap in the same scent, and this is biodegradable and cuts grease. Also got this Mrs. Meyers lavender scented hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera, and oh my gosh. This scent right here I am obsessed with. Actually got a hint of like an apple crisp. It smells amazing. So these products are made with plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, aloe vera extract, olive oil, glycerin, and it is made without all kinds of words that I can't pronounce. But obviously this is some good stuff. So all of the next products I'm going to be showing you I actually purchased with my own money. We've got the Mrs. Meyers Lavender Scented Tub and Tile Spray. It removes soap, scum, and hard water stains. All of the following products are Method products. I love Method products, so I got me a bunch of them. The first thing we have here is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner, and the scent is Citron. Next up, we have the Method All-Purpose French Lavender. Next we have the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner, and this is Spearmint. You can use this on glazed tile, toilet seats, tubs, sinks and fixtures, and bathroom surfaces. Next up we have the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. It is a naturally derived cleaner. It's lemongrass and citronelle scented, and it powers through grease, burnt on messes, and splatters. It's gonna be perfect for that stovetop, y'all. Next, we have the Method Steel for Real. It cleans and polishes. It's apple orchard scented, which is actually one of my favorite scents from Method. And so this is surface safe, non-toxic, plant-based, cleans fingerprints and smudges with no streaking. I cannot wait to use this on my icebox and my dishwasher. Next up, I got a little hand soap from Method, and this one is Honey Crisp Apple. So the next product I have here is the Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. This is in lemon ginger. Again, it's surface safe, non-toxic, plant-based, and what I love about this product, you know how I make up the little mixture in my spray bottle of the water and the solution? This is exactly what this is, except it's just a squirt bottle. You can literally squirt this on your floor and mop it up with your Swiffer or whatever else you want to use, and you're done. No rinsing required, no mixing, nothing. It's already made right here for you, and this stuff smells so good and clean and fresh. So the next item here is also Grove Collaborative brand, and this is a stoneware tray, and I had to spend whatever the amount was that I had purchased for this. I had to spend just a few more dollars to get this for free, so I didn't mind. So this is a little stone tray here, which can be used for your cleaning products to keep them organized up on your countertop like this. It looks really cute and organized, right? So again, I got this item also for free. Altogether, for the haul I just showed you, my total before savings was $185.32. The discounts I got was $45.52, and I ended up only paying $39.80, and I got all of this. When I signed up, I also got a free 60-day trial, which I'm gonna talk to you about in a few minutes, but all of this for $39. And all of the free stuff. It is a win-win and a no-brainer, seriously. Okay, next haul I have here, I also got some other products for free, and I think I spent maybe $25. So the first thing I have here is from Seedling by Grove, and they are ultra absorbent paper towels. These are actually bamboo paper towels. 100% sustainable, bamboo and sugarcane. This is 6 jumbo rolls. This is a soft and luxurious blend that is safe for all septic systems. So this is pretty awesome. I've never owned bamboo paper towels before, but I can't wait to use them. I am filling my futon up here with all of these amazing cleaning products. Next thing I got here, I'm pretty sure I also got this for free. This is Grove Collaborative brand again, and this is a scrubber, a dish scrubber, but you could also use it to clean out your sink or clean out your bathtub, whatever you want. The brush head is also dishwasher safe, but you should hand wash the handle. That is awesome. So it's this little wood handle here. It says Grove Collaborative on it, and the brush is obviously removable. I also got these dishwash detergent packs, and these are from 7th Generation. It says powerful, clean, 0% fragrances, dyes, or chlorine bleach. It's a pack of 20. I actually never used this brand before, so I'm really excited about trying this out. Next up, we have this Method, I'm sorry, there's a Grove Collaborative sticker on the front, but pretty much it is a glass cleaner, naturally derived, and it is waterfall scented. It's ammonia-free, plant-based power green technology for a streak-free shine. This is another scent that I love from Method. The waterfall smells so good. Next up, we have a Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner, Spearmint scented. Who doesn't want their toilet to smell like spearmint? I know I do. It smells so good though. It smells like a really good spearmint gum. So I've never tried anything like this before. I usually just buy, you know, those Lysol bleach things. So I'm really excited about this. Kills 99.9% of germs. Amazing. Next up, we have another Method product, and this is all-purpose French lavender wipes. Non-toxic, plant-based, power green technology. French lavender cuts grease and grime, and it smells so good. It smells like a pure natural lavender, which I absolutely love. Next up, I think I got these for free. Yeah, these are ultra soft tissues, and these are just like the paper towels. They're made with bamboo and sugarcane. We got this for free. This is another 2-pack of the sponges. And then I also got this, and this is the last item in my haul. This is a Method fabric softener, and the scent is Beach Sage. It adds scent and softens and reduces static clean. There is 45 loads in here. I've never used Method fabric softener before. I'm really excited about this. I'm so excited to use all of this. I've actually had these products sitting here in my home for a few days, and I was just waiting to record my haul video, and it has been literally driving me crazy not using these products because I am dying to. So if you want to get in a cleaning mood and you want to get inspired to clean and motivated, I highly suggest getting you some new cleaning products because you will get so excited to use them. You will be up and cleaning your home in no time. Okay, so now I want to tell you a little bit about Grove Collaborative. I have notes here. So they have customizable refill shipments that you're in control of and you can adjust as you wish. And they will also send reminders to you. Your first order ships for free, which is awesome. It's actually a subscription type service, but you're totally in control of when things ship and when they don't, and you can cancel at any time. You can also skip shipments. So you can join the VIP program, which is unlimited free shipping and returns, gifts, and early access to new products. You actually get the free 60-day trial, which I'm doing now with your first purchase, and you can cancel it for any time if you don't like it, but if you love it, then you can continue with it. They're non-toxic, cruelty-free, plant-based formulas, sustainable materials. Sometimes a lot of you get on to me about the products that I use and how toxic they are and how I'm breathing them in and blah, blah, blah. So I figured a lot of you would love these products. They actually have easy returns on anything. You can return anything for any reason, anytime. Another thing that Grove Collaborative does is price matching. Seriously, price matching. If you find a lower price anywhere else, you can actually contact them and work it out, girl. Another thing I wanted to say really quick is right now is a perfect time to buy a lot of these products because there has been some price slashes. Like a lot of these products that I picked out were discounted, which makes it an even better deal. So yeah, this was my first time shopping with Grove Collaborative, and I'm not sure that I'm ever going to shop elsewhere because I love this system that they have. I love all of the products that they have to offer, and they have more than just Grove Collaborative brand, more than just Method, and more than just Mrs. Meyers. They have like so many brand names on there that I've never heard of, but a lot of you might have heard of them and you might actually like and use those products. So definitely check that out. If you are interested in the gluten-free or whatever that I mentioned earlier, all you have to do is actually search that on their website and it will pull up a list of products that are gluten-free. They have pet items, they have baby items, they have beauty items. They literally have everything, and everything is super affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take advantage of the free items while you can right now. I know they do special deals. I don't know how often they do it, but I have seen it before where they have free products in a bundle when you make a purchase. So definitely sign up today and check out and see what free items they have. It just might be the Mrs. Meyers set still going on, and the lemon verbena smells really good. Plus you get this super cute free Caddy. So anyways, thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I told you guys that I was going to be doing a cleaning product haul. So I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you're always notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you, and I would love to hear if you're gonna sign up for Grove. If you've ever heard of Grove, what you think about it. What do you think about all the stuff I got? And are you happy and excited to see that I am going to try out some more natural products? Let me know down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!